Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to make fruit salad. This is so creamy and really delicious. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients and you will have fruit salad that everyone will love and enjoy. Please see the description box for the list of ingredients. Those who comment on my last video, your shoutout is at the end of this video. So let's get started. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you will give this a try. To those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell for more updates. If you want me to shout out your channels, please leave a comment below and I will do it in my next video. It's shoutout time! Big shoutout to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much for all the love and support. Big shoutout to my mom Celia, Manoy78 Vlogs, Idat Fam Band, Ana San Miguel, Christina Hardman, Charing Vlog, Gailven07 Primero, May Tabalina, DK Somor, Ibs California, Thank You Channel, Irish Dumaguiteños Vlog, Un Mare de Lana, Easy Homeworks, Gilly Lamley, Mommy Bakes, Planet 828 Crew TV, Stress Free Life, My Little Antics, JR Slats from USA, Liz Viejera from Canada, Danica De Souza and family from Abu Dhabi, KP Story, Nene Bloggers in Sweden, Sunwhale Stars Moonlight, Jens TV, Lutong Pinasarap Vlogs from Denmark, Marriage Cooking, Tini Villarico, Glenn Nature Lover from Abu Dhabi, Humble Blasian Love from Lebanon, and Irene Nicer. Again, thank you! Please watch out for my next video. Bye! God bless! Stay home, stay safe!